Hello my client, hope you are well. So first of all, I have created main workspace. Like here you can see two workspace like main workspace and second workspace residential facility operations. So I have created this workspace. So you select here in this workspace. So then I have created this folder like facility management board folder. So in when you click here, then you can see these are the six board, like these are board. So now I have set up this first one board, like here stop vehicle insurance tracker, and I have put here a custom all field and put here these simple entry for testing purpose, like staff name, vehicle type, license plate, and insurance company, policy number, expiry date. Here you can see how many days left here, and upload here with the help of these like computer web docs link and so more. Then this manager access yes not, and here the note you can put here. And I need add your manager because I have set up these automation and I have selected your. But when you add in add your manager in this Monday workspace, then I will update these both automation, and I will assign these are task in your manager. So this is updates. Thank you.